GLM 5.2 is one of the strongest open-weight AI models available, but can it actually compete with Google Gemini? In this video, we will compare them on reasoning, coding, context, and overall usability. Intro. GLM 5.2 is designed for long horizon tasks, coding, and agentic workflows with a 1 million token context window and an MIT open source license. Gemini, meanwhile, is Google's flagship AI ecosystem with strong multimodal capabilities and deep integration across Google's tools. Reasoning. Both models are highly capable at complex reasoning. GLM 5.2 performs extremely well on mathematical and reasoning benchmarks, including a 99.2% score on AIME 2026. However, Gemini models remain very competitive, with Gemini 3.1 Pro scoring 98.2% on the same benchmark. So for pure reasoning, there is no huge gap, but GLM 5.2 can absolutely compete with Gemini at the frontier. Coding. This is where GLM 5.2 becomes especially interesting. It was specifically improved for advanced coding and long-running software tasks, and its benchmark results show strong performance on SWE bench and terminal-based coding tasks. If your main use case is programming, debugging, or building AI agents, GLM 5.2 is a very strong option. Context and long tasks. GLM 5.2 supports a 1 million token context window, making it excellent for working with large code bases, documents, and long-running projects. Gemini also offers very large context capabilities, so both are suitable for handling massive amounts of information. Open versus closed. This is one of the biggest differences. GLM 5.2 is released under an MIT open source license, giving developers much more freedom to access, deploy, and modify the model. Gemini is a proprietary Google model, so you are primarily using it through Google services and APIs. Final verdict. So which one should you choose? Choose GLM 5.2 if you want open-weight AI, advanced coding, long context workflows, or more control over deployment. Choose Gemini if you want a polished multimodal assistant, Google's ecosystem, and a more consumer-focused experience. Overall, GLM 5.2 is one of the strongest open models available, while Gemini remains a powerful all-around choice. If you found this comparison helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe for more AI model comparisons, share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.